Hello, I'm Christopher Van Oosterhout. Welcome to BUS260 Marketing. I'll be your instructor for this semester, and I look forward to helping you succeed in the class. I'm coming to you in this video from the Internet Retailers Conference in Chicago, Illinois. This is the world's premier conference about commerce and how it's connected and conducted online. Much of the conference is focused on the role of marketing on the cutting edge. At this conference, there have been amazing discussions about how marketers can use emerging platforms such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and other tools to impact their goals. We're having great discussions about how technology can provide a good return on investment while returning and looking at issues related to privacy, security, and technology fatigue of consumers in today's marketplace. I look forward to sharing more of this information as we progress in the semester. This is an exciting time to be in the world of marketing. There are abundant opportunities to make a significant impact on the world with the skills you'll learn this semester. You really can make a difference related to issues you are passionate about, and this class will help set a foundation for you. We'll be starting the exploration of the field of marketing very soon. To get started, I wanted to make sure you know a little bit about me and what you can expect from the class. Hopefully, by spending a little bit of time on these details now, you can be more successful going forward in the course. I'm a full-time faculty member at Muskegon Community College. I teach in the business department, including marketing, introduction to business, advertising, and e-business. In the e-business class, as an example, we learn the principles of running an e-commerce operation. Students actually build an operational online store as part of a semester-long class project. I also have experience teaching classes such as PHP, a web-centric programming language, advanced JavaScript, another internet programming language, computer concepts, introduction to internet content management systems, HTML, and advanced HTML. I hope you'll consider some of these classes in the future. With the fast-paced changes in business, a good understanding of technology and information systems can be important to your career success. Outside of teaching, my experience includes roles as business owner, manager, and marketing director. I have been providing e-commerce consulting services through my company for more than 20 years, almost since the beginning of the World Wide Web. My consulting practice specializes in web hosting and services for nonprofit and commercial businesses in the area of retail, sporting goods, finance, insurance, the automotive industry, and special events management. I'm involved with almost all areas of e-business, including strategic business planning, web hosting, email services, online marketing, search engine optimization, social media, computer coding, and database integration. Hopefully, my outside experience will help bring some additional context to the materials we cover in our class this semester. If you've never taken an online course before, it's important to understand the distinction between online and on-campus courses. While the workload is the same and the materials covered are nearly identical, taking an online course requires a high degree of self-motivation. This does not mean that you're alone. As your instructor, I'm here to help. Taking an online course means that you can complete the course material at times and in locations that work best for you. While there are specific due dates for material every week of the course, how you get to those due dates are largely up to you. I make myself available by phone, email, and online chat every week. I'll provide virtual office hours that last late into the evening, as well as more traditional office hours during the day. Don't wait until you have an issue to contact me. I look forward to getting to know my students and communicating with all of my students on a regular basis throughout the semester. While it's not necessary to contact me face-to-face, it is appreciated, and often it can be helpful to you as you move forward through the course material. Just because this is an online course, you should not feel that you're limited to meeting with me virtually. Even with today's technology, sometimes it's just easier to simply have a face-to-face sit down and figure something out in person. It's important to understand that I'm here to help you, but you need to also know that it's your responsibility to tell me when you need help. In order to get the most out of this class, it's very important that you review all the material in both the Start Here section and the Faculty Course Information section of this Blackboard course. There's also a Week 0 module in the Content by Week section that must be completed by Thursday of the first week of class, and it must be completed before any of your other content by week information is revealed, including your Week 1 materials. Now, I fully understand that this means your Week 1 workload is going to be fairly heavy. That's by design. It's meant to get you right into the materials. In reality, Week 1 does have a little more material, a little more content, and a little more workload than most weeks going forward in the class. It's critical that you review all the materials in this Getting Started and Faculty Course Information section and in the Week 0 module very early in your first week of the class. It's also critical to know that your first interaction in the discussion board is due by Friday of the first week of class. And the rest of the assignments for your first week, beyond the Week 0 module, which is due Thursday of the first week, the discussion board, which is due Friday of the first week, everything else for the first week will be due the Monday, the second week of class. I hope this helps give you a little better idea about who I am and what you can expect from this class. I look forward to working with you this semester. Marketing really can be a very exciting topic, and it can be a topic that you should be able to apply to those areas in your life that you're passionate about and allow you to be able to make a change for the better in this world in those areas you're passionate about. Thanks for watching, and now let's get started with the class.